north of Washburn and moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is possible. Minor wind damage to roofs, siding and trees is possible. Locations impacted include Panhandle, Pantex. These storms are producing large hail. At 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, quarter-size hail was reported 4 miles south of Pantex. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county, Carson, Texas. The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a flood advisory for Carson County until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:30